Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the two popular investing apps, Acorn and Robinhood. I've been getting a lot of questions about these two apps lately, and I wanted to take some time to compare them and see which one is the better option for you. But before we get into the details, let's start with a question. What are Acorn and Robinhood? Acorn and Robinhood are both investing apps that allow you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other securities. They both have similar features, such as the ability to set up automatic investing and track your portfolio performance. However, there are also some key differences between the two apps. Acorn is designed to be a more hands-off investing experience, while Robinhood is more geared towards active traders. Acorn is a great option for beginners who are looking for a simple and easy way to start investing. The app has a user-friendly interface and a variety of features that make it easy to get started. One of the key features of Acorn is its automatic investing feature. This allows you to set up a recurring investment amount and have the app automatically invest it for you. This is a great way to save money for retirement or other goals without having to think about it. Acorn also offers a number of investment strategies, such as the roundup feature, which allows you to round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. This is a great way to save money without even realizing it. Robinhood is a more advanced investing app that is geared towards active traders. The app offers a variety of features that allow you to trade stocks, ETFs, and other securities. One of the key features of Robinhood is its commission-free trading. This means that you don't have to pay any fees when you buy or sell stocks. This can save you a lot of money over time. Robinhood also offers a number of other features, such as the ability to trade options and cryptocurrencies. This makes it a great option for more experienced investors who are looking for more advanced features. So, which app is better? The best app for you will depend on your individual needs and goals. If you are a beginner who is looking for a simple and easy way to start investing, then Acorn is a great option. If you are a more experienced investor who is looking for more advanced features, then Robinhood is a better option. Here is a table that summarizes the key differences between Acorn and Robinhood. Feature: Acorn. Robinhood. User interface: simple and easy to use. More advanced. Automatic investing: yes. No. Commission-free trading: no. Yes. Options trading: no. Yes. Cryptocurrency trading: no. Yes. Export to sheets. Acorn and Robinhood are both great investing apps with their own strengths and weaknesses. The best app for you will depend on your individual needs and goals. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Acorn and Robinhood. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. See you next time.